Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Wagwan Tours. We're still here in Malta and we're having a little walk down to this beach. It's a rock beach. It's called Westin Rock Beach. Let's go have a look. See Wagwan, you know the vibe. So yeah, we're at last night. We was in went to like the bar street. Every place gave me 2 drinks for one. And I think they give Sabrina a free drink in most places. So girls get 1 drink for free in most places, which is quite cool. But yeah, I had a few Long Islands. So yeah, scuba, coming to learn scuba.
I don't like the fried
So I've seen people learning to scuba dive over there in that little centre across. Floor's a bit bumpy. Thank you. Yeah, over there in the corner is a casino. Guess what's this like a nature area. So yeah, this is our last day. We go home tomorrow morning. We had a good 3 days. We've got like a little rooftop bar booking reservation for this afternoon in Valletta. So yeah, you'll be seeing a bit of that. We tried to go in there yesterday and it was fully booked. All the rooftop bars around there get really booked up really quickly because there's hardly any beaches. So I'm guessing everything's a bit like this, rocks. So people got to basically stay in rooftop bars, I guess, isn't it? So you've got a bit of sun. Also, the sun sets over the city, so it's going to go over this. That's the Hilton. So yeah, the sun's going to go and set over there. So if you're sat down here, it's going to be no sun from about, I don't know what time that is, maybe about 3 in the afternoon. Where am I going? Hold on. These rocks. Little cigarette butts everywhere. Smokers. But yeah, I think the sun will disappear around here about 2:33, and then it sets around 4:30 at the moment because of the time of the year. But definitely, Malta is somewhere to come in November, definitely in October. And for me, this has been perfect temperature. I was looking for somewhere else just before the Canary season kicks off. And yeah, we're about to get into that season of Tenerife, Lanzarote, Gran Canaria again. I was just in Gran Canaria the other day, which is always good fun. Yeah, let me stop and let you take in some of these views quickly. Check out this floor. Yeah, attacked by flies as well. Oh, check the Hilton out over there. And the next time I come, because I'm coming out of season, I'm coming like obviously November. November's out of season. I think I'm going to book maybe like two different hotels. I normally come for like 3 nights. I normally push to get 4 full days, so I'll take the latest flight home. Let me know if you ever do them sort of short breaks. These little trips, they cost about 300 quid most of the time. Flights, if I can get the flights for really cheap, like these flights out here are a bit expensive, they're about 120 each. But the hotel, It was as cheap as £77 for 3 nights. I took one for about 120 euros for the 3 nights. And yeah, that's I thought that's a good reasonable deal. 300 quid, 2 people, 3 nights, breakfast included. He had a few all-inclusives. They wasn't too expensive. Like I said, you want to do a quick weekend break, these little 300 quid trips, well worth it. I don't go out in England, so this is my little break. Get to do what you want to do for a little bit. But yeah, definitely I think Malta is worth the trip. If you've never been to Malta and you've been thinking about it, it's got a bit of everything. Obviously English owned back in the day, so it's got all your English amenities, and it's got plug sockets like in England, so you don't got to worry about no converters or anything like that. Just bring your normal plug socket and yeah, boom, you're done. So yeah, I quite like it myself. I think that's quite cool that they still kept some of them things. And obviously it's the euro, so it's perfect for us. But yeah, check out the casino on the end. I might pop in there tonight, see if I can get in. I guess then you've got to go in, like there's an entrance just here, and I think you've got to go through that to get to there, so I'm going to do that tonight. I'll probably film that. I want to get to bed early though. I don't want to be tired on the plane. Like, I'm always tired on the plane, so I get stupid flight times. But yeah, I want to be a bit alive, getting round to the airport, rather than just sleepy. Oh, look at these rock pools. Look at these rocks. It's like volcanic, isn't it? This floor. Reminds me of Tenerife. But yeah. Hilton. I think this is the harbour around there. Yeah, that's the harbour. What was it called? Some one of our videos. It would have come out before this one. But yeah, that's just round that corner there, the harbour. So we're going to walk over very quickly. Sorry if you've come in to see hustle and bustle. It's more of a nature on this one, isn't it? A nice, for me it's a bit difficult walking. I wouldn't come here if you've got mobility issues. It's a bit, look at the lines. Let's go up here, look, a bit easier to walk up this side. Well, I don't know actually. Big crater coming up here. It's like you're walking on the moon. But yeah, definitely let me know if you do these little breaks like we do. We do a lot of little 3-nighters, 4 days. Get 1 night to ourselves, and then we're just out filming for the rest of the time. I think rather than spending thousands and thousands on just like one holiday, break it up and have about 5 or 6. And that's what I like. Whew. Oh, alright, let's have a little look around. Getting attacked by flies. One thing I've noticed. The flies love you out here. No mosquitoes though. 0 mosquitoes this time of year. Or, I don't know if it's this time of year or... It's my first time here, so I don't know if just mosquitoes are... I think mosquitoes are everywhere, aren't they? Everywhere. Check this out, look. I should go this way. See a little plane coming over? It's like a fly crawling on the camera. So all the way round there, like really far in that distance over there, that's towards Valletta. Might even be Saloon. Salim just here actually, is it? I think Salim starts just here. That's Salim across there. Same flies, just like follow me the whole way. I'll have to take a wash. Maybe I'll stink. Whew. And I just had a shower. But yeah, look at that rock. Where's that come from? Can't leave that there, mate. Can't park there. Look at that. You've got railings and ladder going into the water, so this is a little swimming spot. It's quite rough. Well, today it's quite rough anyway. But yeah, if you've watched this video to this point, thank you very much. You are a wonderful person. Listening to me waffle and walk down here near the water. Yeah, this was our last night. This is Malta. We were staying in Peaceville, and yeah, it's been a good little stay. And yeah, we're gonna definitely come back here. This is one of the top destinations for us for this year. One of our good top finds of the year. Actually, let me go back on this side because there's some people laying down at the end. I don't want to annoy them. But inside there, it's if I can see a sign, can't see one. You'll know if you've seen our videos and you've been watching. That's that harbour. Sabrina walked around just inside there. I think we ended the video next to this cannon here. So yeah, surprising no one's down there fishing, you know. Oh, there's a couple of guys over there fishing, saying that, and then you see them. So yeah, check the water out. I'll be quiet for a second so you can listen to the sound of the sea. I don't know what it is for me though. I sleep through so much noise. Where we live at the moment, it's very noisy all the time. So I sleep straight through it all. So over there is that little beach in the corner over there. There's a little beach over there. I can't remember the name of it. And then yeah, Salim. We ended up going to a little bar over there on the corner. You'll see that in one of our videos. Can't remember anything's name right now. It's a cloudy day today, look at that. Clouds are coming over. It's meant to be a cloudy day today, but it's absolutely beautiful. Let's get you one picture down there. That little fisherman going out. Yeah guys, thanks for watching, and yeah, like, subscribe, tell a friend, share to a friend, and I'll catch you on the next one, yeah?